Gate 3 is secure, convoy entering the main yard. Clear left.
Confirmed. Truck 42 registered. Proceed to unloading Bay Charlie.
Check the alignment on the hydraulic ramp. Stop right there, hold position.
All digital records confirmed. Proceed with unloading sequence.
All gates secured. Ramp is stable, we are clear to move. Roger that, Supervisor. Beginning the sequence now.
Watch the horns on the big red one, coming through gate 3. Copy, guiding him left.
Easy now, straight ahead. Make sure they all clear the gate into Section B.
Good copy, Control Center. Ensure Section 5 is prepped for arrival.
Roger that. Cleaning crew advised. Posture and movement look good. Recording vitals now. Confirmed on the main display. Muscle strength is optimal.
Keep them moving steadily towards the scanning arch. All right, boys, easy now, just a little further up.
The successful completion of the medical inspection highlights the factory's dedication to safety, precision, and world-class veterinary care. The automated system ensures precise delivery of the optimized feed mixture. Moisture content is stable at 12%. System check complete. Pressure and rotation are optimal. Confirmed. Guide the Longhorns into the tunnel now. We are maintaining optimal flow rates across all systems. Quality check confirms exceptional hygiene on Section Gamma.
Control, this is Transfer Team Alpha. We are entering the main corridor with the herd.
Confirmed, Alpha. The path is clear. Proceed to the next checkpoint.
Watch the gate alignment at the intersection.
Are the pocket dimensions correct on the back panel? Yes, everything is approved. We can initiate the transfer.
Automatic finishing machines apply protective leather coatings, waterproof treatments, and nourishing conditioners before skilled craftsmen polish every pair of shorts by hand.